Lord, I'm calling your name. This is an emergency. Heaven, hear my pain. I blow my shofar, Lord. The battlefield is heavy. The night is closing in, but you spoke to raging waters and you calmed the wind. If you did it before, you can do it again. One word from your mouth and the chaos will end. Oh, peace be still, peace be still. Yahweh